Hello, and welcome to our channel Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing in crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and are looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. With the entire world transitioning towards digital currency, it won't be long until digital money methods are normalized. These money methods have been boosted by the frequent use of cryptocurrency worldwide. With cryptocurrency being accepted worldwide slowly, many of us haven't bothered to know how it works. We might have heard the term blockchain, but how many have bothered to learn about it? If you are one of those people, you should certainly feel left out. That was until now, because today is all about blockchains. Today, we will look at what a blockchain is and how it works. Apart from these details, we will also focus on its transparency and whether a blockchain network is secure or not. The usage of blockchain will also be explained along with the pros and cons. There is just so much to know and understand about blockchain that we could go on for hours. But since time is limited, we shall try to fit all the details into this video as quickly as possible. Please sit back and relax, because we will explain to you everything there is about blockchain. What is it? Blockchain is a central database that shares branches of a computer network. Being a database itself, blockchain stores critical information in a digital format. They are best known for their use in cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. This is to maintain a secure server having a record of all of the transactions on it. Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta were two mathematicians credited with being the founders of blockchain. They did so in 1991 when document timestamps could not be tampered with. A usual database and Bitcoin differ in their data structuring. A blockchain manages to collect information in bulk, known as blocks, which hold information together. These blocks have specific storage capacities, and when these blocks are filled, this block then adds to the previous blocks. These blocks were the most recent part of the chain. This process then repeats with a new incoming block. As a database, it has information present in tables, charts, and other representations. Whenever a block is added to the chain, it becomes part of the timeline set before it and is given an exact timestamp of when it is added to the blockchain. How does a blockchain work? The primary goal is to allow digital information to be recorded and stored, but not be altered. Manipulation of information in a blockchain cannot take place. This makes blockchain the foundation for ledgers or transactions that cannot be altered, deleted, or destroyed. It allows data to be held in a database that will be spread out among several network nodes in different locations. This doesn't just create a redundancy, but it also maintains the fidelity of data stored in the blockchain. For instance, if someone tries to tamper with a specific transaction, it won't affect the other transactions. All the other blocks will trace the problem and immediately point out the block that contains issues. Transparency and security. All transactions can be viewed by having an individual node or by using blockchain explorers, which allow anyone to see all the transactions occurring in real time. The node or branch has its copy of the chain, which gets updated after adding a new block. Exchanges have been hacked in the past, and those who kept their cryptocurrency on the exchange lost their investment. While the hacker can be anyone, the bitcoins they extract can be traced easily. If the bitcoins were stolen or even moved, that would also be known. However, due to blockchain settings, users remain anonymous while ensuring their transparency is preserved. Security works in several ways. New blocks are always stored chronologically, which means that a newly completed block cannot fit in the blockchain randomly. It will be considered the most recently filled block and will be present at the end. After a block has been added, it isn't easy to alter its contents unless most of the network agrees to do so. This is because each block contains its hash along with the hash of the previously situated block before it. Hash codes are created by a mathematical algorithm that turns digital data into code. This code includes numbers and letters which are in random order. If the user alters the information, then the hash code changes. Imagine a hacker has a branch on the blockchain network. They would like to alter and steal information from other users. If the hackers were to own a single block, then the information of that particular block wouldn't align with the users of the blockchain. This will help pick out the hackers' information, and they would be the odd ones out in the process. Since the hacker's block wouldn't be accurate, it will be removed from the network. Therefore, the security of a blockchain is solid in this regard. Hypothetically speaking, such a hack would require insane amounts of money and resources, so hacking the blockchain network isn't as easy as it might seem. Enjoying till now? Please hit the like button, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. Usage of blockchain. The blockchain is a highly advanced and secure network having multiple uses. More than 10,000 cryptocurrencies are running on its systems. Being reliable in storing data and other transactions, blockchain is super helpful in this regard. Some of the biggest companies in the world use this technology in their systems and financial dealings. We shall discuss some of the most common uses of blockchain below. Finance and currency. The first significant use of blockchain is, of course, in finance. You can look at the current state of cryptocurrency yourself and how blockchain is its functioning platform. Financial institutions operate during business hours 5 days a week. If you deposit your money on Friday evening, it'll come through into your account on Monday morning. Do you have the time to wait this long for your cash? If blockchain is introduced into banks, consumers will see their transactions complete in less than 10 minutes. This is how long it takes at maximum for a block to add. If cryptocurrency is used, banks will be able to exchange funds between them quicker. This will allow them to trade funds back and forth with ease. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies also work on this platform. If operations of financial institutions have blockchain in them, then there will be no need for a central authority controlling our money. This will reduce the risk of getting scammed and will also get rid of any transaction fee. With no middle party in between, no hidden charges are applied. The use of cryptocurrency wallets for savings or making payments is very convenient, especially for those who do not have state-registered identification. Many people can't store their wealth safely for any reason, which puts their money at risk. Using a cryptocurrency wallet will keep their wealth safe and secure. Healthcare. Healthcare providers can use this technology to store their patients' medical records. As soon as a medical record is released, it can be written into blockchain. This provides patients with a guarantee that their medical information won't be misused. These records are securely stored on the network to be accessed by the patient itself using a security key. This is how medical records can be kept confidential. Property documentation. As per our understanding, this is something that blockchain needs to be immediately integrated into. It will eliminate the need to scan documents and search for physical files. If everything is present digitally on a secure server, there is no need to have physical copies. This entire process is costly and consumes a lot of time. If property ownership is verified using blockchain, owners can trust that all of their property-related documents are safe and secure. This will prevent fake copies from being made, as access to those documents will only be given to a limited number of people. Smart contracts. A smart contract is a code built that verifies a negotiation or deal between two parties. Smart contracts are carried out under a set number of conditions. When those conditions are met, the terms of the agreement are carried out. A smart contract is how cryptocurrency payments go through. An example is purchasing cryptocurrency using fiat currency. The buyer sends the money and the seller sends the cryptocurrency amount. As soon as both ends are verified on the blockchain network using innovative smart contract technology, the payment is released and the buyer receives his cryptocurrency. This is just one example of how smart contracts work. Advantages and disadvantages. Blockchain improves accuracy since it reduces the involvement of humans in terms of verification. There are cost reductions and no hidden charges with no third-party involvement. With decentralization, no regulating body present in blockchain, there is no tampering with any transaction. The transactions are safe, secure, and efficient. And the best part is that the transactions take place within a matter of minutes. With complete transparency, it is impossible to get scammed. Since no authorities are ruling over blockchains, anyone can suggest changes in the system. Applying these changes will result in a better user experience. Even though there are tons of benefits, there are also some disadvantages of blockchain. There is a high cost involved in technology. This is because cryptocurrencies are difficult to mine. An overall low number of transactions take place in a single second. There are developments in this area, and scalability is still an issue. This is because the data a block can hold is limited. The block size is often debated and will continue to be an issue if not addressed. Illegal activities have also taken place courtesy of blockchain. The most well-known one is on the dark web, where illegal goods are purchased and sold without being tracked. Cryptocurrencies are used as the medium of exchange here, making it hard to track the parties involved. Criminals can easily transact without the worry of getting caught. Future. With countless practical applications of blockchain already present, people are finally getting to know what it is. The discussion that started with cryptocurrency now often ends with blockchain being the major player behind it. The biggest firms in the world have already begun regulating blockchain technology and accepting crypto payments. Apart from that, newer business models are working on this model. As we enter into the third decade of this technology, companies need to start normalizing this technology or be ready with the fear of missing out. The coming years will be crucial for blockchain as its tokenization of assets and NFTs are also gaining traction. Will the growth continue as expected, or is it another ticking time bomb? Only time will tell. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.